with only a smartphone and a TikTok app, how can you be able to make money out of it? All right. If you're out there, you don't have anything you can do, or you have an idea in your head, this is your video on how you can be able to make money on TikTok and be able to withdraw that specific money on PayPal. All right. I'm going to go ahead and tell you at least 3 ways on how you can be able to make money on TikTok. So go ahead and watch the full version of this video where I explain everything on how you can go about it. All right. Number one is this what I call having a good follower base. You build a very nice and good follower base whereby you are increasing your worthiness to companies and corporates. All right, this is what I mean, that once you build a good follower base, once you build that specific base, you can be able to approach a certain company and tell them, hey, you know what, guys, I just have like 50,000 people who follows me, I have like 100,000 people who follow me. And by the way, don't get shocked, getting 50,000 on TikTok is very easy, provided you just have very short clips and very entertaining. Having that amount of people, it can take even you a week, you have them, all right? Or even a month, you have them, all right? So once you get that good follower base, you can approach a company, or sometimes they can even approach you without even you knowing, all right? Provided you leave what I call up on your bio up there on the profile of the TikTok, you just leave your business contact there. They can approach you and tell you what, hey, you know what, we like what you do and we would like you to advertise some of our services or goods on your platform at this amount of money. That's how you do it. And that's why you see a lot of young guys and young ladies out there on TikTok dancing, having fun, and they're advertising some of the products or the services of a given company, and they are making a living out of it. All right. Number two, what you can do on TikTok and be able to make money is what I call having a skill or skills that you can be able to trade them. Maybe let's say you are a graphic designer, you can be able to design a very good thing, or maybe you can sell what I call the intellectual property. You just have great ideas that you have them, that you can be able to share with the people. You just have a thing, you just have what I call a product or a service that you can be able to share with the people, of course, at a price people are ready to pay you. All right. Maybe you have just several ideas, like where people can apply jobs, how people can apply visa, how do you apply passport, how do you do this, how do you do the other, how do you do that. So once you have all those services on board and tell them, hey, you know what, guys, maybe you are good at English, you can teach people English. There's some countries outside there, they will have to know English, and they don't have a relevant amount of money to pay for the teachers or something of sort. So if you can be able to offer those skills, right? If you can be able to offer those skills to those people, and then I'm telling you, they are ready even to subscribe to your bouquet and be able to earn something out of it. It's all about being smart, being creative, and being out there. All right. Number three, guess what? The third one is if you have like a small business that you're operating somewhere. All right. So maybe let's say you sell shoes, and maybe you sell some men's products or services or something of sorts. You can be able to advertise your business. You get the point? Maybe your business is just growing, or maybe it's already grown, it's a big one. There, be on this platform. Tell people what you do, tell them what you sell, tell them how they can get it, how do you deliver. And by the way, this has to be accompanied with what I call etiquette and decorum. Be real, be legit, have good manners, have good skills. You can be able to handle customers. Once you tell somebody this shoe is worth 2,000, so let it be, right? And it's always good to advertise your product price on the platform where everybody can be able to see it. If someone asks you, how much did you sell for that shoe? Don't tell them, come inbox, I tell you. No, just say 2,000. So, right? So that everybody can be able to know that this guy is genuine. And if I go to his or her inbox, I'll be able to buy that specific item for 2,000, because that is how everyone is buying it. Unlike you telling people come inbox, people don't get understand that. What do you mean come inbox, right? What if unigongi or something of sort? So it's always good to be legit, be somebody who is reliable, advertise your business out there, advertise your skills or something of sort, right? Maybe you can add a bonus on that. The fourth one, you can have what I call the grow host, all right? Once you hit 1,000 followers, and by the way, don't get shocked, having 1,000 followers on TikTok is one of the easiest things. Some people don't even achieve that in a single day. 3 days, even 1 week, you have 1,000 followers. You are able to go live. And once you go live, that's where you have wonderful people who we call the gifters, right? Once you are live, be entertaining, be engaging, be fun. Tell people, hey, you know what, guys, follow each other, grab each other, connect for connect, follow my gifters. Maybe you've ever been TikTok and you have people saying that, follow my gifters. Those people who are called gifters, are people who are ready to give you those gifts. What are those gifts? Those gifts, they're in terms of diamonds, the roses, the nini, whatever, and you can be able to transform that, or you can convert them into dollars and be able to withdraw that cash via your PayPal, right? As simple as that. And you can also withdraw your money from the people to your M-Pesa. All right. As simple as that. It's always being out there, being creative, and offer at least a something. Remember, this is how I'll always say it. All right. You have to offer at least three things on TikTok. It's either you are entertaining, either you are educating, or you are inspiring. Once you fall under those three categories, rest assured you're able to make something out of it. All right. Very fast, maybe let me recap of what I've just said. Number one, I said build a very nice followers base, and then after that, being approached or approach a certain company, advertise their product or services, and then get amount of money out of it. Number two, I said have skill or skills that you can be able to trade to people, tell them what you can be able to do, and after that, they are ready to pay you to do for them. But be legit, be reliable, be somebody who has what I call integrity, right? Number three, I said if you have a small business that you're operating or a bigger business that has already established itself, you can actually take it to that different level by advertising what you sell. Be open, tell them how much you're selling for, and they're ready to pay you for that specific amount. The last one, but not the least, be a grow host, be engaging, be entertaining, convert those people to gifter. They gift you, connect them, help them. A lot of people also want to grow. You can take that advantage and earn some cash out of it. All right. So, you know what, guys? If that is a cup of coffee that you'd love to get in this platform called Wonderful YouTube, then follow me and subscribe to my channel. Just hit that red subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload another wonderful video like this one, and at least you'll be able to get something that I call a freedom of finance. All right, my name is Joseph. I talk about anything related to finance, anything related to your money in your pocket. How can you invest? Where can you invest? How should you go about it? What are the business ideas or something of sort? Maybe if you're out there and you like a business plan of any given business, I'm the guy ready for you. If you'd like any business idea, guess what? I have a booklet of over 30 businesses combined together just for you. If you'd like to get that booklet, you can holler me on my numbers. I will leave my numbers on my contact on my description of this video. You can get them and approach me. We can do business together. All right. So as of now, see you in the next one, and God bless you.